Assalamu alaikum students, hope you're all fine. Today we are going to revise chapter respecting the masjid. For that you have to go on page number 21. So, word masjid. We all know that the masjid is a place where Muslims go and worship Allah. So basically, masjid is the house of Allah the Almighty. It is the place where He is worshipped. The word masjid is derived from the word sajda, prostration, and refers to a place where one prostrates. So masjid, the word masjid is derived from word sajda, prostration. So it means masjid is a place where one prostrates. It is very clean and holy place and deserve reverence and respect. For this place of worship is also called etiquette of masjid. So being a Muslim, it's our very first priority that we should respect the masjid, and these respect and reverence are called as the etiquette of masjid. Let's read the etiquettes of masjid. Etiquette of masjid, like before entering the masjid, one should wear the clean clothes and use other perfume which is oil based. So before going to masjid, we should wear neat and clean clothes and should wear other. Allah Ta'ala said, "O children of Adam, wear your beautiful apparel at every time and place of prayer." Means the children of Adam, whenever you go to the masjid, you should wear your beautiful apparel, neat and clean, beautiful clothes whenever you go for prayer. Take off your shoes or slipper before entering the masjid, which is very obviously the first thing that when you enter the masjid, you should take off your slippers. Turn on the pages. When we enter the masjid, what we should do? We should put the right foot first. While entering, we put the right foot first and recite the supplication. What is the supplication? Allahumma ftah li ababa rahmatika. It means, "Oh Allah, open for me." Abab means doors. Rahmatika means mercy. Allahumma, oh Allah. Allahumma ftah, oh Allah, open for me the doors. Ababa, the doors. Rahmatika, of your mercy. One should not enter the masjid in an impure state. Impure, it means when you ever go to the masjid, you should be neat, clean, and bawazu, in a very pure state. One should not make any noise either, and should sit there respectfully. It means when you ever go to the masjid, you are not allowed to make noise. You have to sit there respectfully. And next, one should not spread out one's legs. It means when you sit in the masjid, you should sit there in a proper position, and with respectfully you have to sit there. It is a place of worship, and this is all one should do there. These are the 2 points just connected, that it is a place of worship, and that is all one should do. And worldly matters about family or the friends should not be discussed there. It means masjid is a place of worship where you go and worship Allah. So the worldly matters about the family matters, and you are doing gossips and talking about the other stuff, it is not allowed in the masjid. So whenever you go to masjid, you have to suppose if you are talking about Allah or asking questions about religion, if you have questions about that and you are discussing about Islam or religion, that's fine. But if you're talking about friends and family, so please do not talk about this in masjid. Go somewhere else if you want to talk about it. So mobile phones must be switched off before entering the masjid. Yes, before entering the masjid, please switch off the phones. Articles used in the masjid, example, prayer mats, caps should not be taken home. These articles like prayer mats and the caps should not be taken, otherwise it will be considered as stealing. So you are not allowed to take these things back home. So except for the traveler, no one should sleep in the masjid. Yes, because the travelers, some traveler who may not have any place to stay while traveling, so they can stay for a while and just have a nap over there. That's allowed only for the travelers. So this is a recent view of the Masjid-e-Quba, the first masjid of Islam. Let's come to the do you know. So offering 2 rakat of voluntary nafil prayer in Masjid-e-Quba is equal to 1 umrah. So 2 rakat nafil in Masjid-e-Quba is equal to 1 umrah. This is inscribed in Arabic or on the arch where the imam stand to conduct prayers. This like 2 rakat voluntary nafal Masjid Quba is equal to 1 umrah. This is inscribed, it is engraved in Arabic in arch form in the where the imam conduct, जहाँ पर imam साहब नमाज पढ़ाते हैं उसके ऊपर एक arch form के ऊपर ये engraved है लिखा हुआ. So this is the Masjid Quba, the recent view of Masjid Quba. So let's come to the next page. Do not eat smelly things before entering a masjid, as the Prophet ﷺ said, do not eat raw onion or garlic and enter the masjid. Sahih Bukhari. So Holy Prophet said, do not eat raw onion or garlic because they stink, they smell. So do not eat it before entering the masjid. So cigarettes and tobacco should be avoided, as they also stink. So basically the point is that we should avoid the smelly or stinking things, eating these things before going to masjid. People who live near masjid should not keep the volume of their radios or the TV turned high. This is a very important point because masjid is found in every second street in our places, because as we are Muslims, so the TV and the other loud volume should be turned off because of the masjid. Garbage should not be thrown around the masjid. There should be no garbage, obviously. When leaving the masjid, put the left foot out first and recite this application. So we remember that when we enter the masjid, we put the right foot, but when we are leaving the masjid, we put the left foot. And now we supplicate that Allahumma inni as'aluka min faslika. Oh Allah, I ask you for your favor. So this is a supplication when you exit the masjid. So come to the do you know? The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, whoever builds a masjid for Allah, He will make a house for him in paradise. It means whoever makes a masjid for Allah, Allah Ta'ala will make one house in a paradise for him. So these are the etiquettes you must follow when you go to the masjid. These are very important. Obviously, being a Muslim, we need to follow all these protocols. So do a reading, and thank you so much.